This 2018 Heartland Pioneer is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 36 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, Skylight, Awning, microwave, DVD player, stovetop burner, oven, slide-out, air conditioning, refrigerator, leveling jacks, and 47 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Heartland Pioneer is 9,612 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.